You are standing on a huge moving raft of rock. You might think you're standing on solid ground, but in reality, you're on a tectonic plate that's constantly shifting and changing. Hey there, welcome to my channel. Let's learn about tectonic plates. You are standing on a huge moving raft of rock. You might think you're standing on solid ground, but in reality, you're on a tectonic plate that's constantly shifting and changing. There are 7 major tectonic plates, and they move around on the asthenosphere, a soft layer of the Earth's mantle. The plates carry the Earth's land masses, and they float on top of the asthenosphere like rafts on water. They're always in motion, but it's so slow we can't feel it. Imagine you have a friend who really likes to move around. Your friend could be North America. It's moving southwest at 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch per year. That's about as fast as your fingernails grow. Or maybe you have a friend who likes to move in slow motion. That would be the Pacific plate moving only 5 centimeters or 2 inches in the last 3 million years. That's so slow, it's almost impossible to believe. Even though the plates move super slow, over millions of years they can move very far. For example, India has been moving northwest for millions of years. At one point, it was part of the supercontinent Gondwana land. Today, it's almost completely joined the Asian plate. The 2 plates collide along the convergent plate boundary. The denser oceanic plate usually sinks down into the Earth's mantle at a deep ocean trench. This is called subduction. When this happens, mountains often form along the edge of the land masses where the plates meet. The Himalayas are an example of mountains formed by colliding plates. They formed where the Indian plate collided with the Eurasian plate. Where 2 plates slide past each other, there is a transform boundary. These boundaries often have faults along them, and they can cause earthquakes. The San Andreas Fault in California is an example of a transform boundary. The Pacific plate is sliding past North America. When 2 plates move away from each other, magma can come up between them and create new land. This is called seafloor spreading. It happens at mid-ocean ridges where plates are moving apart. New seafloor is made all the time at these ridges. It's like a giant underwater mountain range. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is the largest mid-ocean ridge on Earth. So the next time you feel like you're standing still, just remember you're actually moving along with your tectonic plate. It may seem like a small and insignificant fact, but it's really what makes our planet so dynamic and alive. Thanks for watching. See you next time.